Transferring money from Scotiabank to TD Bank is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. So, first of all, open up Scotiabank website. Now, from its website, you'll get to know about the process of how to transfer money from Scotiabank to TD Bank. So, there is Ways to Bank section, from which you can do international money transfer. Then, scroll down and you can sign in to the Scotiabank mobile banking app and tap Transfers. After that, tap Send Money Internationally and then tap a bank deposit. Now, enter the recipient's contact information and select the account you want to transfer money from. Then, enter the amount you want to transfer and tap Submit. That's how you can transfer money from Scotiabank to TD Bank. It's a good practice to double-check the details of your transfer, especially the recipient's account information, to avoid any errors or delays. If you have any doubts or questions about the process, it's advisable to contact your bank or visit a branch for assistance.